Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, Florida, and today we're on Grady-White's 216 Fisherman. This is a 2020 model. This one's powered with the 200 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha. Great power package on this boat. It's also got hydraulic steering, so it's going to make your steering on this engine really easy. First thing that you're going to notice when you step on the 216, it's got a nice long, goes deep in the water swim ladder. It's a 4-step ladder, so it's real easy to get on board this boat. When you step through on the starboard side, you've got a cushion that swings out of the way so that you don't have to step over it. But once you get on board, then you swing it back in place. Got a great backrest. And you can see this cushion right here flips over so that you're not stepping on your cushion to get on the boat. But when you're ready to take a seat there, just take it, flip it over, and you've got an awesome seat there with a handhold on there. Your pop-out cleat goes down so you're not hitting your arm on it on this side. You've got a drink holder right where it's supposed to be. You've got gunnel-mounted rod holders. As we move forward just a little bit, you can see this boat's got a nice heavy-duty leaning post on it with 4 tulip rod holders. 4 tulip rod holders up on the hardtop T-top as well. Some storage for your life jackets to be put away. Underneath the leaning posts on the starboard side, we've got a nice big live well right here. Super comfortable seating on the 216. You can see you can stand up and drive, or if you want to get up on top of the leaning post, you can. Your steering wheel is a tilt adjustable steering wheel. The T-top, beautifully painted T-top. This is a really nice job. It's a different process. I'll explain it to you when you come in, but this is better than powder coating, and you won't see it chipping and starting to flake away after a few years like some of our competitors. Moving forward, underneath the front of the console, we've got another cooler in the front of the boat. There's a cushion that goes on top of here, so you've got there's 2 people can sit right here. But you've also got bow seating on this, which is great. So it's a great family boat, not just a fishing boat. So if you want to be facing forward, you're just out cruising for the day, I've got plenty of room on here to stretch out. I'm 6'3", pretty tall, and I got plenty of room. Got some speakers up in the front. Again, you can see you've got some nice stainless steel drink holders all over the place. These backrests, you don't have to pick them up and find somewhere to put them. They just swing out of the way. If you're fishing and not using them, you don't have to pull them out and put them inside the console. You've got a separate enclosed anchor lock, or again, your pop-up cleats on this. This is the 2020 216 Fisherman. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call for a test ride.